Welcome. Today I have more of Audacity lessons, and today we're going to have more of this is what we're going to play today and see how it looks like. We're going to add some effects. So as it is now, we highlight or Control A to highlight, and we're going to apply this effect. So we apply repeat. Okay, before we apply the effect, so the song is about 31 seconds long. So when you apply, see you have applied the selection, come here to put the repeat. So it is going to ask us how many times you want to repeat. Maybe we say once, and then we click once. So when we play, it is like to loop, and because it has been copied and stretch it to this far. So when it gets to this place, to loop over and play it once again. So let's see how it looks like. There is some tab here, so I want to select it and put the gap. So when I start playing again, back again. So this is the repeat effect. So let me Control Z to make it. So now still I apply more effects on it. So I've highlighted the Control A to select all, and then the effect. We come to the reverb. So here we apply all these effects on it and see about. You can also manage it from here. Apply whatever settings you want to do. So if you apply it on it, it will also give us another effect. And let's say, let me play it while we apply it on it. Apply the effect and see how it looks like. So as it is, let me apply more effect. So effect, phaser effect. Yeah. So this is the phaser effect where we apply it on it and see. So I will be playing while we apply the effect so that you see how it looks like. that is the phaser effect. So we apply those effects also on it, and then so as it's still selected, I want to apply another effect on it. So we've done the reverb, have the repeat, we've done the phaser effect. So I'm going to do another one called pause stretch. So this pause stretch are two, of which if we want to preview it, and then we play it and see how it looks like too. Alright, let me do the effect again. So yes, to apply the effect again, the pause stretch. So let me apply it and play it. So now I play it, see how it looks like. Alright, so let me still apply. And so which one else? I think let me apply this wow effect. Yes. So I will still play that one too, and whilst I will be applying these things. Okay, let me first of all apply the distortion effect. So let me do it, effect distortion. Yes, so this is the distortion itself. I will play it while then I apply it, and let's see how it looks like. So that is the distortion effect. Let me apply the Y effect. Okay, so that one too, I will play it, play the playback, and then I'll apply it on it as well. Alright, so these are some of the effects. Okay, so yeah, so when you click on this arrow, there are more effects to be applied. Yeah, so when you come up here also, you can bring all the arrows down. So yeah, this is some of the effects, some of the fun effects that we can apply on it. Okay, there's one also that I want to show you. So as it is, instead of select, come here and play like this. Yes, so you can come here on the top here. Yeah, that's the dragging. So click here and play. It has been done that this way instead of selecting something here like this to play. So that is the okay. So let me also try to make the fade out and fade in. When you want to make the fade out, fade in, you select like this side and apply the fade in. So it will start slow and end, and then let me apply the fade out here. apply the fade out effect. Okay, so let's play the fade in. So let me apply the fade in from here and see how it looks like. Yes, I think these are some of the fun effects that we will learn today. Hope you enjoy it. Subscribe and send, and then write your comments on down. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.